Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more affiliate commissions have recently come in. It's a profitable passive income and also multiple income streams. So I'm live here in my all time of my Warrior Plus account, and this is where you get all your stats and data. If I come down here, the commission column is this one here on the right hand side. So you'll see commissions earned. My total is $9,597. The sales of the total sales of the products, $19,270. This column on the left hand side here is really important. I want to show you how you can earn multiple income streams by promoting one link, including high ticket. And I've sold 2,116 products. So more importantly in this video, I want to show you that these offers, they're autopilot buyers traffic offers. And buyer traffic is the best traffic you can buy online because buyers buy over and over again. And if you can get autopilot buyers traffic like you can with these offers, then that's even better. I recommend you become an affiliate. Don't just become a member. You've got to be a member of all of these, like I am, to be able to use the offers, get the traffic. But get yours for free. Become an affiliate. I'm going to give you all the free tools, resources, and funnels that I personally use, and the system that I use as well, to help you get the results that I'm showing you here today. You can earn anything from low to high ticket commissions as an affiliate up to $850. Now, these high ticket commissions here up to $850, you don't even have to buy the high ticket products yourself to earn those. So I'll just show you how that works shortly. So when you get in profit every single month, you get what's called a funded traffic proposal. And what that does, that enables you to buy traffic, more traffic from your product, from your profits. So the key to success with affiliate marketing is to be able to buy more and more traffic to get your offer in front of more and more people. And if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, then you no longer have to buy your traffic from your job income or your wages or your savings account. You can buy it from your profits. And I'm going to give you my system that earns up to sort of thousands of dollars. I've just shown you the proof that it works. I'm going to give you that system at the end of the video, and I'll show you all the done for you funnels and free tools that I'm going to give you. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me, and we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of these offers and also promote them as an affiliate. So this circular arrow here, where it says here recurring payment 16, this circular arrow, as I scroll down here, this denotes how many months in a row your referrals will have been paying. So 16 months in a row here, 6 months in a row here. They're quite new. Any gaps where you don't see any circular arrows, they're new referrals that are buying the traffic and using the system. So 5 months in a row, 2 months in a row, 14 months in a row. Lots of new members joining here. So the key thing is, the key to success with affiliate marketing is building up all these 26 months in a row, is building up a database of members paying a membership subscription. Like you'll be paying your membership, I pay mine, but then you start to build up. So all these circular arrows here, every single month, commissions are coming in month after month after month after month. Now what happens is you start to build up a nice solid and stable monthly recurring income. But the reason for this is that, like myself, a lot of your referrals become affiliates. So they not only become product users, they also become affiliates. They get into profit as an affiliate because traffic's an evergreen niche. and they stay long-term members. So that gives you a nice, solid, and stable income. So let me just show you now, as an affiliate, what you can do with some of these offers. So if you look here, you'll see the Click Engine, you'll see Click Traffic Cyclone, Easy Clicks, you'll see Traffic Blaster. This one here, TCG, is a click generator. So let me show you some of the funnels. I'll show you I'll give you an example of one here, the click generator. So what you'll do with the click generator, you can join, you become a member. You pay, I think it's under $5 per month, and then you get your affiliate link here. Now, there's 18 products within this system. So when any of your referrals join, they get taken through a journey. Now, you'll see here that the owners, Frank and John, they're traffic experts. They've sold 4.7 million clicks. They've been online between themselves 30 years. They're affiliate marketing super affiliates. Now, they're selling products here for $8,500. So if what you would earn there is in this column here, the commission column, you would earn a commission of $850 if one of your referrals bought that traffic. There's one here for 6,000 here. So you would earn a commission of $600. Now, there's lots of recurring income products here in this funnel as well. So you've got an opportunity to earn not only instant commissions, high ticket instant commissions, but also referral commissions, recurring income as well. So great opportunity for you. And each of the products that I promote have all got multiple income streams built into the funnel. So I'm going to give you my done for you funnels, my lead capture page, my welcome page, my follow-up, my email follow-ups that I've personally written for you. So I've done a funnel for 5 of these products, which I'll come to shortly. I'll just give you an example of one. So on each of the lead capture pages, I've done a video. So you'd have to create any videos. I do all the selling and telling and give your prospects all the proof that it works. Your prospect will put their email address into there. They'll get then taken to a welcome page where they'll see more proof. So they'll see updated proof in here of commissions earned. They'll join through this link here, this button here, but your affiliate link will be attached here. So you will earn the commissions. They can join Leads Leap as well. Your Leads Leap affiliate link can go into here. Leads Leap is what the funnels are hosted on. And you'll see that even with Leads Leap, this is another additional income stream, passive income stream. So with Leads Leap, you'll see here my total earnings are $1,081. So you can not just earn Warrior Plus income with these funnels, you can also earn Leads Leap income as well. These funnels are really easy to set up. They're just you just copy and paste this code here, put it into Leads Leap, and then I've just done some video tutorials down here on the page itself that show you how to set that up. So if you are brand new or you're quite new to affiliate marketing, then watch those video tutorials, and then with these codes you will completely clone this whole funnel. And then I've even done the welcome the email follow-ups for you as well. So the 7 emails there. It's really key to have an autoresponder to follow up with, because your prospects, only 1% of people join on the first exposure to a product. People want more information. They want proof it works. So with these 7 emails here, then it takes up to 7 times for a prospect to see a product before they take action to buy. So that's why you need an autoresponder to do that for you. So I've handwritten these. I haven't used ChatGTP. I haven't used AI. I've handwritten each and every one of these emails, and your affiliate link will go into there, so you will earn the commissions. So if you want to follow my system, then my system is in this video here. It's called How to Get Your Buyer Traffic for Free, but it's a lot more than that. It's a system that I've created in 3 or 4 simple steps to generate the results that I'm sharing with you here today. I started with just a product called the Click Engine for under $5, and I just built it up over time and built the portfolio up. So the 5 products here are the 5 products that I predominantly promote. 90% of what you see in my Warrior Plus account are from these 5 products. So I'm going to pin this video on the page, this page here with this video on. I'm going to pin this to the first comment below the video you're watching now. So if you want to follow the system and start to earn monthly recurring income, multiple income streams, profitable passive income, then my system will show you and teach you how to do that. My email address will also be in the description as well, if you want to contact me direct through email. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new uploads every single week. Got over 1,000 videos now on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about any of the content in this video, please put those questions in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And my email address will be in the description. Also in the description will be all the links for you to get more information or to join in any of these products, start to get your traffic, get your affiliate link and start promoting. And if you want some help with your promoting, then just send me an email, I'll help you out. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.